Today we're having fruits fun riddles. Just answer the questions when they come up. So we read the clues of 10 riddles of the fruits carefully. Give the correct answer after the narrator finishes reading. Okay, the student that answers first will get the point. So just keep a total of how many fruits that you get right.
I am small, round, and red. I grow on a tree, it is said. I'm juicy and sweet, a delightful treat. Can you guess what fruit I could be?
Okay, what fruit is it? Is it an orange, an apple, or a banana? Which fruit is red? It's the apple.
I'm yellow and long, a sunny delight. Peel me to reveal a tasty sight. Kids love me for my creamy texture. Guess which fruit I could be?
So what fruit is it? Watermelon, grapes, or a banana? The answer is banana.
I'm a berry, bright and red. On short green stems, I'm often spread. With tiny seeds on my skin, what fruit am I? Can you begin?
Which fruit is this one? A berry? So the only berry there is strawberry.
I'm big and green on the outside. Cut me open and a surprise you'll find. I have a sweet and juicy taste. What fruit am I? Can you haste?
So if it's big and green on the outside and when you open it you get a surprise. Huge green, and when you open it sometimes red. Watermelon.
I'm spiky on the outside, tropical and sweet. With a crown on my head, I'm quite a treat. What fruit am I?
Fruit is it? Spiky on the outside? Pineapple.
I'm brown and fuzzy with a tiny bite. Inside, I'm green and filled with delight. Hailing from New Zealand, I'm a special find. What fruit am I?
This is my favourite fruit. This is a kiwi. It's one of my favourite fruits.
I'm small and blue, a tiny delight. In a bowl, I look like a starry night. Packed with goodness, I'm good to eat. Can you guess which fruit I beat?
Small and blue. In a bowl. Very small and blue, the only blue one. Blueberry.
I'm small, round, and juicy. I come in bunches, all purple and blue. Pop me in your mouth one by one. I'm a yummy snack, so much fun.
They come in bunches. Bunches is lots together, so they are grapes.
I'm citrusy and full of zest. In your lunchbox, I am often the best. I'm packed with vitamin C, can you see? What fruit am I?
And this one is an orange.
I'm green and smooth with a creamy taste. Used in salads or spread on toast. What fruit am I?
Final question. It's green. That's an avocado. Well done today, everyone. Well done, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you'd like this quiz, give it a like and subscribe for more.